not picked up the camera in a couple days. I don't even want to talk about it. Today is Saturday. We have an event today for Black History Month where we're going to be cooking. It's supposed to be about 1,000 people. So I'm up right now making the macaroni and cheeses. I'm going to just tell y'all the truth now. They cut the water off at my apartment. Yeah. They cut the water off. I'm sitting here eating some breakfast. An egg and a sausage. It was supposed to be off from 9 to 2 on Friday. Yesterday. It was off until 9 o'clock this morning. Yeah. Oh, they talking about, first of all, at like 4 o'clock, people like, why the water not back on? The lady from the office like, oh, turn the faucets on, let it run. You have to build up some pressure. Baby, it don't have to build up some pressure. No water is coming out. So people like, no, there's no water. So she's like, the water is on. This is what the lady from the apartment saying. The water is on, the water is on. Girl, you don't even know. Y'all didn't even verify. You just going off what these people said. The people who fix it, the plumbers. So eventually, she tells us at 7 o'clock that she contacted. We have a WhatsApp group for the apartment complex. She says that she contacted the plumber to, come back out. And that they told her. What did the plumber tell her? She contacted the plumber to come back out. And they told her they were going to come back. So they don't get back till like 2 hours later. It's like 9 o'clock. It's like, like 8 something. They get here on the property. They say, oh, we did our part. What's wrong with y'all pipes is something that the city has to fix. So then she's like, the lady from the apartment complex like, oh, well, we're going to call the city. I said, how do people fixing the water didn't know that the water wasn't running? How y'all as the leasing office didn't ensure that the water was running? Y'all have bathrooms and pipes in y'all leasing office. Y'all don't check to make sure the water is running? So she said she called the city, and the city said they was going to send somebody out. So basically, this is at like 10 o'clock at night. I'm like, we're not going to have no water until tomorrow. Because it's going to be tomorrow in 2 hours. Like, we're not going to have no water. So, y'all, I was up here cooking. And I had to use bottles of water. I went to Family Dollar and bought 12 gallons of water. I only have 4 left. I actually had 14 because Mama's bought 2 more. And we have 4 left. So we used 10 gallons of water. I just needed to clean. You can't cook without cleaning as you go. Well, I can't let that stuff pile up in the sink. Like, I need to be able to rinse, keep wiping stuff down, and stuff like that. So, yeah, y'all, that happened all last night. It was a struggle. I cooked 188 wings. I made rice. I made a whole bunch of stuff, y'all. And so what I did was I have a water dispenser thing. Like, you put in a gallon of water and you press the button on top and dispense water out. I put that in a gallon of water and I used that, like, as a faucet. And I just let it hang over my kitchen sink. So that was, like, my DIY faucet. Y'all, it was so traumatic. It was traumatic. So anyway, I'm sitting here eating some breakfast that I kind of don't really want. And I was watching some little Chinese movie, but it done went off. But I'm finna finish making this macaroni and cheese, y'all. And we're going to get our day started at the event. So let's get into it.
Hi y'all, I'm Jordan. This is my auntie.
You're helping us.
I'm helping them make prepare everything so they can go out and hopefully sell some food. Maybe make a profit. Maybe share a little bit with little old Jordan boy here. We got our helpers here. We got Aaliyah and we have Auntie Shira. Aaliyah, how do you think we're going to do well today?
I do. We're going to be very busy. We have lots of things to add. We're very excited. As you guys can see, we have mac and cheese today. So
yes,
I think we're going to do well.
Aren't these little tins so cute? I'm probably going to take one home with me. They'll never know. Or will they? What?
We will know.
No, you won't.
All right, here. People trying the macaroni.
I'm about to try
Let me
it.
get you trying it.
All right.
That's good.
Period.
That's
Don't cover
good.
me.
It tastes very cheesy.
As
It's
it
not
should.
supposed to be.
I can taste the parsley. I can taste the parsley. That's good. That's very good. Auntie, you've improved. I'm so proud of you.
Jordan, now you're trying to come for me.
Auntie,
Now
I'm
you
so
trying to
proud
come
of
for
you.
me.
I'm not coming for you.
No, because when I used to stay with y'all used to be tearing up my Alfredo.
I mean, that
Never
was
forget.
good. And I remember when she used to make bacon wrapped scallops. That was delicious.
Yeah.
That was very good. I was so proud of her when she made it for my birthday. I tried to make her make it every birthday, but you know, she left eventually, which really sucked kind of. So, you know, that plan failed.
Well, you did what you could. That's all that matters.
Yep. And now she is placing the macaroni inside of the metal tins. They are very cute. Yeah, I'm definitely taking one. I'm sorry. I'm taking one.
Okay, y'all, we just doing this. So when we get done, we'll check back in when we finish the macaroni.
Alrighty.
Y'all, with so much going on, I couldn't even vlog. The people had us in a spot over there, back down that corner, back there. And then after we set up, they told us, oh, you can't be over here. So we had to unset up stuff. And then when I was backing in, I broke the mirror on the car. Look at it. Broke the mirror. Me and Jordan was out here. All right, see you. Thank you so much for coming. All right.
Well, the
We got
favorite
Jordan.
nephew has been returned inside the car.
Sure. Anyways. So, yeah, y'all. Finna go take Jordan home, and then we're gonna go out to La Cora and sell food. Okay, y'all, so I was riding past and I'm like, I'm hungry. So I decided to stop at Taco Bell. I never eat this kind of stuff, but I wanted to try something because I saw they had like a rollout of all the different stuff that they was gonna order this year, have this year. So I'm like, I wanna try some of it. So let's see.
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. What can I get for you today?
Hey, can you give me 1 second, please? Okay, I would like to do the chicken crispanada and then a cheesy gordita crunch and a flatbread melt and the Cinnabon Delights 2-pack.
Anything else for you?
Let me get 2 of them gorditas.
You
Get
said,
one.
say that one more time?
Can I get 2 of those gorditas?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
It's going to be 1863. You can pull around.
Okay. We get one for mamas. Alright, y'all. Okay, y'all. So, we gonna see. Hopefully, they get the food right. That's how Jordan hold the camera. Alright, hold the camera. Thank you. Do you want these off? Or they put mine out? That's the one you like?
Sure, I'll take it.
Alright, y'all, let's pull over real quick and look at our stuff and make sure everything right. Okay, y'all. This is where I got chicken panada, cheesy something chicken panada. Oh no, the little cinnamon ball fell out. We got those. Jordan got gorditas.
Cheesy gordita crunch. Yay!
Alright, and then I had got this flatbread. Let's see what it look like. This ain't no flatbread. This like a tortilla. Okay, let's try it.
Oh, yes, I do have to.
Oh, it's good.
It is?
Wanna try it?
I'll try a piece. The one I get my fruit when I,
Okay.
put the camera down and stuff.
And then Let's try this thing. Cheesy chicken crispanada.
This one kind of good.
Alright. It came with a little sauce. Let's see. It wasn't even nothing in that first bite. Look, you see how empty it is?
Oh, wow. Just
let's try it.
fry the air.
Right. Yeah, I still can't taste nothing but the dough. It's like it was all on this side.
They be shortchanging you, but they making it real expensive.
Okay. This is really good. To be Taco Bell, I give it a 7 out of 10. Alright, let's see. Let's how Jordan try his.
How do they do the same thing with chips? They never make it enough.
I'm going right. Okay, show it to them. They got the crunchy shell and they got the hard shell.
That's good.
It's good. I don't really like stuff like that. I like chalupas though.
Oh, I do like those too. The sauce really carries this.
Yeah, that's the only thing that make it good with sauce. All right, y'all, let's continue on home. Okay, y'all, we made it out here to the club. Heating up the grease. That Taco Bell that I had got earlier. I have not tried this before, but I'm gonna fry the flatbread thing and see how it come out. We don't have nothing to lose, so we're gonna try that. It's cold as hell, super cold, so we'll stay out here like 3 more hours and then we're going home to his naive. I'm finna sit down though because my feet hurt so freaking bad. Okay, y'all, they having a little car club meeting out here. They do this junk all the time out here. They race it. I don't know how they let this cherry picker up in the sky. Ain't nobody in it, but that's Atlanta for you. But they out here in they Hemis and they Hondas and they Mustangs and they Corvettes and Challengers. I really think they shooting a video. Like somebody got a camera on the back of their car. Here goes some more of them. These Camaros and a Challenger and a Charger. Yeah, y'all, they lit. I took my thing from Taco Bell, the thing y'all saw me try earlier, and I deep fried it to heat it up. The flatbread. I'm very happy with the outcome. Hey y'all, I just realized that I don't be showing y'all the food while we cooking, so let me show y'all somebody's plate. It's a seafood rice with extra shrimp.
Good morning, y'all. Yesterday was really rough. One of the roughest parts were the cold weather, 30 degrees, and then the other one was the stovetop smoking like crazy. Shower couldn't breathe, so here I am. I'm making it a priority to clean the stovetop this morning. And I just woke up, but I really want to get this done because I've been meaning to do it for weeks. So, here we go.